If you want to take partial screenshot on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first we need to capture the full screenshot. So you can use any of the methods that you know in order to capture a screenshot. In my case, I'm gonna just use 3 fingers and place it on the screen. There we go. Now over here we can press this pen icon in order to edit the screenshot. Let me try again actually. There we go. So let's tap on this pen. Now once you open this editing tool over here in the corners, you should be able to find those white lines. So you can grab by them and just drag somewhere in order to capture the selected area only. So we pretty much select what part of the screenshot should be selected and captured. After that, we can just simply press this check in the top right corner. Over here at the bottom we have some additional tools, so you might want to check them out as well. And this is how we can crop the full screenshot and take the partial screenshot. Unfortunately, this seems to be the only way to do so. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!